Well, happy Valentine's Day to you and y'all. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home, the Sticks. Lord of mercy, hope everybody's having a wonderful Valentine's Day. I hope, I don't know, Cupid come over there and shot an arrow at you. Looks like it's finna rain again. And yes, Lord of mercy, this weather is crazy. It was like 40 degrees the other day and now it's 71. But let's walk over yonder. I want to show you something I'm fitting to do. So give me a second. All right, y'all, here we go. What I have here is just the old playhouse that I built last year. And it's just been sitting here for a while. So I went ahead and cleaned it up. I don't remember what the dimensions are. I want to say 10 by 12, I think. You know, 10 by 12. It's a fairly good size on the inside. I want to say the top is, I'm 6 foot tall, so this thing's got to be about 6'2", 6'3", or something like that. So it's a good height, and you can walk around all the way in it. You know, hang a wall, put a little window or whatnot in there, and it's got 10 sides and a tin roof. But what I'm thinking about doing with this thing is, well, not thinking, I actually started doing it. I'm gonna go ahead and let me get outside. I'm gonna go ahead and start storing all my feed for all the animals in this little bitty small clubhouse, which is going to be turned into a, I don't know, feed house or something like that. But anyway, I done started putting my feed in here, and I have some of my gardening stuff in here, and I think I might put all my gardening tools in here just to clear up my shop. I think it's going to work out pretty good. It stays pretty dry. Now then again, I mean, it's not got a show enough old coon ass door on here. It's got gaps, you know, up here and whatnot, and there's some gaps right here and stuff like that. But you know, hey, it is what it is. But it stays relatively dry. I may think about building like a hay rack or something where I could actually store my feed hay in here and keep it dry and up off the ground. But the one thing you probably did notice in this little building is dark. It's like really dark. Well, ain't too bad, I don't guess. But what I'm thinking about doing is Dutch over there at Keeping It Dutch actually found some little bitty small LED solar lights that he put in his storm shelter / bunker, and it seemed to work out pretty good. Not all that expensive, probably, I don't know, $8, $9 or something like that for a strand of 100 LED lights. I'm thinking about doing that in this thing right here, because it actually has an on and off switch. If for some strange reason, which is not unlikely, that I get home late and I need to feed up the animals, I can just roll up in here and flick that little switch and have some light. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. But I wanted to show y'all this little building. You might have caught a glimpse of it or two in a couple of my videos, but this is what it looks like. We are actually gonna, oh, look at there. We are actually gonna repurpose this guy and use it for something else. I haven't ordered them yet because I'm still doing a little bit of research on the solar lights. I think I could, you know, mount a little small solar panel up here or something like that where it'll, because the east is over yonder. I like this little shack up pretty good at night. Might even come hang out in it, I don't know. A little short video, y'all. I wanted to show you this thing right here because I'm fitting to repurpose it, because you know that's what homesteaders do. We like repurpose stuff. Really short video, y'all. If you like it, go on and give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up really help me. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, y'all need to come on over here and give me a look now, because you know I'm always doing stuff, like really always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Old Dan will always say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean nobody. Especially when you're trying to repurpose a, oh, somebody's shooting. Repurpose a, you know, little clubhouse or whatnot to store your stuff. And we'll see you and y'all in the next video.